Hello, this is Frank, VP of Marketing at Touchstone Home Products. If you found yourself here, you're probably trying to figure out which of our electric fireplaces is the best fit for you and your home. Over the next 2 minutes, we'll walk through the unique features of our most popular models so you can decide which model will work best for you. Let's start with the basics. Here are the features you'll get with every Touchstone fireplace. First off, all of our fireplaces feature incredibly lifelike flames. Flames your family and guests will mistake for authentic flames from a wood or gas-burning fireplace. Our fireplaces offer all the ambiance with none of the mess or smell. Second, each fireplace can be recessed into or mounted to your wall. Our heat vents are front-facing to optimize for either install method. Third, all of our products can be used with or without their heat function. Fourth, every product can be plugged in or hardwired. And finally, whether you want wall mount or recessed into the wall, Touchstone Home fireplaces are a breeze to install. Now let's take a look at our most popular models, shown here in their 50-inch size, and dive into what makes each model stand out. Meet the Sideline. The Sideline, one of our original models and continued bestsellers, combines traditional style with Wi-Fi enabled smart technology. It offers 3 flame color options, 5 flame speed options, as well as a pulsating ember bed in 10 colors. Your Sideline flames can range from a soft ember glow to an intense blaze, in whichever custom colorway best suits your home and mood. The Sideline's built-in heater adds supplemental warmth to a room, designed to take the edge off a cool evening. Its thermostat control also offers operating flames and heat simultaneously, flames without heat or heat without flames. You can easily control the Sideline via the included remote, the discrete control panel on the unit, or using Touchstone's mobile app. The Sideline can also be connected to compatible smart home devices through the app for added convenience. This best-selling model comes with 2 media options, lock set and crystals. Meet the Sideline Elite. This fireplace features a unique, large format display. The Elite has 60 color combinations, as well as 2 heat settings, plus a thermostat. This product is also equipped with Wi-Fi enabled smart technology, meaning you can adjust the flames, flame bed, and heat settings via our smartphone app, or using Alexa or Google Home voice commands. Plus, the setup is pretty simple. This fireplace comes with 3 media options, log set, crystals, and driftwood. A lot of our customers like to pair the crystals with driftwood for a distinct premium look. Next is the Sideline Steel. With its unique mesh steel front, the Sideline Steel is our most traditional looking electric fireplace. Similar to the classic Sideline, it also offers 2 heat settings, 5 flame intensity settings, and 3 flame colors, all of which can be controlled via the remote or with the on-unit control panel. As for the media, it also comes with 2 options, log set or crystals. The Sideline Steel is traditional, classic, and keeps things simple. Finally, we have the Sideline Infinity, one of our newest models. The Sideline Infinity is unique for its 3-sided flame display. The Infinity offers a beautiful multi-dimensional flame view and can be installed 4 ways: front and glass side visible, right side hidden, left side hidden, or fully recessed with the front glass only. The fireplace offers 2 heat settings plus a thermostat, 60 color combinations, as well as both log set and mixed crystal media. Similar to the Sideline Elite, the Infinity is equipped with Wi-Fi enabled smart technology, so you can adjust the flames, flame bed, and heat settings through our smartphone app, or using Alexa or Google Home voice commands. We hope this helped you decide which Touchstone fireplace is the best fit for you. For more information, visit our website at touchstonehomeproducts.com or check out our